Welcome back. Now, once you have your analysis done in your pivot table, if you look up at your pivot table tools, you have a design side also. And so you can go over to the design side. What you're going to notice is that just as you had with your table, you have styles that you can use and you can choose them as you see fit. What you can also do is a report layout. So for example, one of the things that you can do is you can show your pivot table in an outline form or tabular form, however you think is going to look best for the person that you are presenting to. We can then change the nature of how the report looks. For example, one of the things we can do is we can then move these columns to row labels so that our summary will then appear in this way. And of course, if we decide then that part of our information does not quite work for us, we can then take that information out by using the field list on the right-hand side menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.